In today's video, I'll teach you how to check gift card balance on Shake Shack. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in shakeshack.com/gift-card. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll directly be led to the gift card interface of Shake Shack. Over here, you'll be able to find various options. Simply scroll down. Now right over here, you'll be able to find the options for e-gift card, bulk gift cards, gift card balance, etc. In the option for gift card balance, over here, you'll be able to find the option for check balance. Click on it. Now you'll be able to check the gift card balance. Scroll down in this interface. Now over here, what you have to do is provide your card number and PIN. Click on the field of card number and enter the card number over here. Make sure to enter the correct card number. Likewise, click on the field of PIN and enter the PIN. Now after you enter the credentials, click on this option check balance that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be able to check the balance of this particular gift card. So that is how you check gift card balance on Shake Shack. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.